This is question 8. Given that A, B, C are real numbers such that the sum of them equals to 0 and the product equals to 10. You are asked to find the largest value of the sum of the cube. Using Vieta formula, A, B, C are roots of x cubed minus the sum 0x squared plus AB, BC and CA x minus the product 10 equals to 0. Using Vieta formula, we know that A, B, C are root of this cubic equation. Since each of the A, B, C is a root of the equation, we can substitute A, B and C respectively. Sub x as A, so A cubed, this is 0, and call this as R, plus RA minus 10 equals to 0. Similarly, sub x as B, B cubed plus RB minus 10 equals to 0. C cubed plus RC minus 10 equals to 0. We can take the sum. We have A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed plus R of A plus B plus C minus 30 equals to 0. And because A plus B plus C equals to 0, so this will be 0, and therefore the sum of cube is equal to 30. Again, the sum of cube is always equal to 30, and therefore the largest value will be just equal to 30. We can actually get the answer using Vieta formula on quadratic equation. From here, we will know that A plus B equals to negative C, and obviously C cannot be 0, so AB is equal to 10 over C. Now the sum of AB and the product of AB, you can say that AB are roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus the sum, which is plus cx, and plus 10 over c equals to 0. Multiply everything with x cubed plus cx squared plus 10 over cx equals to 0. X cubed equals to negative cx squared minus 10 over cx. Since each of the A and B is a root of the equation, we can sub it in and take the sum. That's why we have A cubed plus B cubed is equal to, first, sub in x equals to A, negative CA squared minus 10 over CA plus negative CB squared minus 10 over CB. So negative CA squared and negative CB squared can combine, and negative CA plus B squared, and negative 10 over CA plus B also can be combined. A squared plus B squared is actually A plus B squared minus 2AB, and negative 10 over C, A plus B is equals to negative C. So what we have here is negative C, A plus B squared is negative C squared, so it is C squared. Negative 2AB, it will be equals to 20 over C. This is plus 10. So this is negative C cubed plus 20 plus 10 plus 30. So what we have here is A cubed plus B cubed equals to negative C cubed plus 30. And therefore, A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed is equal to 30. So using Vieta formula in 3 unknown, it looks a lot more easier, but it can be done also using Vieta formula on 2 unknown. Which one do you prefer? Anyway, 30 is the answer for question 8.